Welcome to DVCOM technology unboxing video. Today I'm going to show it to you unboxing for Yealink BH72. Let's go and see. So there is a quick start guide. There is a charging stand. There is a bag. Inside the bag there is a Bluetooth headset. There is a USB charging cable. There is a Bluetooth dongle. And there is a power adapter. So these are the components. By default it will come with your box BH72. So now I'm going to explain to you what is the functionality of each and every component. For example, if you see here, this is your charging stand. So basically this charging stand is going to hold your headset. Whenever you don't have a meeting and all, you can hang it like this. And if you want to charge, if you see here, there is a wireless charging symbol. So at the back side of your headset, you can see there is a wireless charging. So you can directly keep like this and you can charge it. And to give the power, you can directly connect it to the power to your charging stand. And if you want to charge by using the USB cable, you can directly charge as well. If you see here, so you can able to directly connect and you can charge it. And if you want to see the functionality, so by default, if you see here, to adjust your Bluetooth headset, you can able to adjust it as well. And see here, there is a couple of buttons. So to power on, you just press this button and it's going to power on. And to power off, you can just hold this button. And to increase your volume, you can able to use left and right. So if you want to mute, or if you want to start the call, or if you want to attend the call, or if you want to stop the call, you can able to use this. And there is a microphone on. So whenever you want to talk, you just on and off this microphone on. And if you see here, there is a nice feather. So you can directly take it and connect it to your ears. And once your meeting is finished, you can directly hang up here. So this is what exactly how this Yealink BH72 is going to be. And if you want to go for any demos or anything, you can reach us sales@datavoice.com. Thank you.